Life isn't perfect, but your outfit can be. Be a beautiful cupcake in a world full of muffins. Darling, don't forget to fall in love with yourself first. Don't let anyone ever dull your sparkle. Be like a diamond, precious and rare, not like a stone found everywhere. Chase your dreams, in high heels of course. Always dress like you're going to see your worst enemy. Don't let today be a waste of makeup. Cinderella never asked for a prince, she asked for a night off and a dress. Beautiful don't ask for attention. If you want to be original, be ready to be copied. I love pink, it's so girly. Have a goal in mind. If this is just for your ego, then don't bother doing this. Don't always be there. Go slow. Easy with the texting. Don't follow the routine. Surprise her. Don't get too mushy. Desire comes from a sense of uncertainty. Something that is 100% guaranteed to make a girl think about you is to make her have fun and be happy. Take her to places like amusement parks, theaters, cinemas, discotheques, etc. On special dates such as Valentine's Day or couples' anniversaries, give her something that is special for both of you. It need not be an expensive gift, but it must be meaningful. Women love knowing that the rest of people admire them not just because of their personality, but also because of the way they look. If you want her to think of you, take every opportunity to make her feel good about herself. When going out somewhere, the man must be always on time for dates. If she likes to keep people waiting, be patient and take it easy. Do not let her notice her attitude annoys you. When you take her back home, hold her hand and walk together.